Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to change quick export format from PNG to JPEG and vice versa on Photoshop CC. By default on Photoshop CC, quick export format is set as PNG. When you right click on the layer and there is an option called as quick export as PNG. There is no option to save this as JPEG by default. To change this, from the menu click on edit and click on preferences, or you can directly enter preferences by pressing Ctrl plus K. Under preferences, from the left side menu you need to select export. Here you can see that by default quick export format is set as PNG. If you want to set to JPEG, you need to select JPEG. If you want to change the quality, change it, otherwise leave it and click on OK. Now right click on the layer which you would like to quickly export a image, right click. Here you can see that previously quick export as PNG was present. Now you can see that quick export as JPEG. So that's it guys. In this way you can easily change quick export format from PNG to JPEG and vice versa on Photoshop CC. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.